Have you ever wondered what happens when you hit that delete button on your computer? Let's explore the journey of a file from your computer's storage to its apparent deletion. When you delete a file, it doesn't just vanish into thin air. Instead, it embarks on a process within your computer's file system. First, the file is moved to the recycle bin or trash, depending on your operating system. Think of it as a temporary holding area for deleted files. Next, the file space on the storage device is marked as available for new data. However, the actual data of the file remains intact on the storage until it's overwritten by new data. This means that even though you've deleted the file, its data still lingers on your computer until it's replaced by something else. But what if you realize you deleted the wrong file or need to retrieve something important? Well, there's hope. Specialized recovery software can often retrieve deleted files, exploiting the fact that their data remains on the storage until overwritten. However, it's important to act quickly. The longer you wait and the more you use your computer, the higher the chances of the deleted file being overwritten. So, the next time you delete a file, remember, it's not really gone until new data overwrites it. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of file deletion. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time.